To interpret a Google Analytics tracking ID, start by understanding what it is. A unique identifier assigned to a property in Google Analytics. It is used to collect and track data about a website or application. The tracking ID is usually in the format of UAXXXXXX, where X's are numbers. First step is to locate the tracking ID. It can be found in the Google Analytics account under the Admin section, in the Property column, or in the tracking code snippet on the website. Next step is to understand the structure of the tracking ID. It consists of two parts: the prefix UA and the unique identifier. The prefix UA stands for Universal Analytics, which is the version of Google Analytics. The unique identifier is a series of numbers that identifies the property. To interpret the tracking ID, check if it is in the correct format. If it is not in the format UAXXXXXX, it may not be a valid tracking ID. Also, verify that the tracking ID matches the property in the Google Analytics account. Best practice is to keep the tracking ID confidential, as it can be used to access the Google Analytics data. Also, use the tracking ID consistently across the website or application to ensure accurate data collection. In practical terms, the tracking ID can be used to track website traffic, behavior, and conversion rates. For example, an e-commerce website can use the tracking ID to track the number of visitors, the pages they visit, and the products they purchase. In conclusion, interpreting a Google Analytics tracking ID requires understanding its structure and purpose. By following the steps outlined in best practices, you can ensure accurate data collection and make informed decisions about your website or application.